It is easy to look at, especially when we're in tax season right now. This is my, in this case, 2024 tax return, and it says I made X and it says I owe Y. And my only thought is, can I pay less?
Yeah, I want to pay
What do we miss? What can we do different? And it's easy to get caught up in that, in the here now, than think, well, it's actually better for me to go ahead and pay whatever it is then versus, because it's going to save me X dollars now.
Yep.
It's easy to get lost in the.
Yeah, and some of the games we've seen is people have gotten on these trains, so it could be where they're prepaying spring expenses, their cash basis, they're paying a bunch of bills in December. Well, that means you brought the deduction from 25 into 24 if we're talking about this year. Well, guess what game you have to do now? Because you put yourself into it. Next year, you have to do the same thing, or you're going to have a huge difference. You're going to be like, well, I made even more money this year. I'm like, yeah, because you stole all your deductions from January into December. That doesn't help anybody. Yeah. So you're going to kind of look at it overall. And, I actually do expect rates to start trickling down a little bit. Inflation's still a little up in the air for us to know where we're at. So when you're doing your tax plan, you should be looking at it just more than a 1 year window. I've repeated that now 3 or 4 times. Hopefully that stuck.